your hair down and make sure you have all your hair down. Hey guys, it's the AKA. This time guys, we're going to be doing a TikTok quick bun tutorial. This tutorial you're going to need a brush, a band and your hair, obviously. So quick top tip, if you have frizzy hair, and like Karen is, you're going to have more like a really big, thicker hairband because you don't want it to get stuck in your hair. So let's get started. So step one is make sure your hair is down and brush through. Second of all, you need to have your elastic band like this in your wrists, out like this. And then third step, you flick your hair down and make sure you have all your hair down because you don't want any stuff. And if you want it to be really slick at the side, make sure you brush it at the side. Then you're going to have to grab all your hair and then get the hairband and flip through. And you should look like small like this, but what you're going to do is stretch it out.
Stretch out to make it bigger.
And then that's what you do.
That's what you do. We're going to show you again.
Just so this time we're going to show you once again so you guys don't forget. So step one is
have your hair up. Shake this.
Brush through your hair.
Shake it.
Step two,
you get the hairband, elastic band, and then you flip our hair.
One, then grab all the hair and slip, fall through, flick it up.
So this is what it's supposed to look like at the finishing. So, don't forget to comment down below on this video and like, hit the notification bell.
And make sure you follow us on TikTok,
AKA Kids.
Bye.
See you.